everyone! I am Teacher Moon! Let's learn and play together! Today, we start with the letter E. Ready? Here we go! E is for elephant, stomping around. Thump! E is for eagle, high off the ground. Swoop, swoop! E is for egg, cooking in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle! E is for excellent, do what you can. Yes, yes! E starts with E. E, let's learn and play. English is fun with Teacher Moon. Sing along to this happy tune. E is for engine, a train on the track. Choo choo!